You can make $600 by watching YouTube videos. Yeah, this is the make money watching videos method that I want to show that requires really zero investment, and just simply follow the steps and you can get paid more than $600 with ease. This is really cool. So without wasting any more time, just jump back into YouTube. As we are going to go to YouTube. Yes, youtube.com, and search for like motivational speech. Yes, this is a really real gem out there. You have to search for motivational speech. You have to find motivational speech and motivational videos, and you can see that people really love this type of motivations. People needs motivations every day. This is an evergreen niche, so we have to work with that, and we search for like something like this. You can see that this video gets uploaded within 22 hours, and it's already getting 16,000 views. So how good motivational videos are. So we are going to avail this traffic and we are going to make money with that. So how we're going to make money with that? We are going to search for these videos, and we just simply click and copy video links out there. So we are going to go over to YouTube. Is not going to pay out for that. We are going to use these video links, and we are going to use shortened URLs. So yes, this is uii.io. This is the shortened URL service. We are going to make long links shorter. So we copy these YouTube links, and we go over to uii.io and just simply sign up there and paste your links and get shortened links within seconds. And you can see that if you just go over to their payout rates, you can see that they have like $6 per thousand views, which is really handsome and very easy to get. So all it requires is simply copy 3 or more video URLs and go over to uii.io and just simply make a shortened URL. So you get 3 shortened URL from uii.io, where when you promote this type of URLs, when people just simply click on them, you will going to make money. So how we are going to promote it? We go over to Google Docs. So we open docs.google.com, and simply in the blank document I written like this: mind-blowing way to motivate yourself like never before. Watch these live streams to get back your mind power, and paste your shortened links. So here it is. I just design it. You can make it anything you want, but simply something like this. And then when you're ready with this, you simply click on file and just simply download it as a PDF. You simply download it as PDF. So when you get a PDF downloaded, you go over to slideshare.net. Yes, slideshare.net is a really good site to promote any PDF documents, and they have lots of views, lots of customers every day, and they automatically promote your PDFs to the world. So this is no brainer. You just simply ready-made traffic you can get. Simply just upload these PDFs to slideshares.net and you are good to go with that. And this is just not only one PDF cannot make you rich. So all it takes, you simply work regularly. The opportunity is limitless. I just show you one category. It's just motivational speech. There are lots of trending videos out there on YouTube. You can just target those videos and shorten those videos links into shorten URL like uii.io, so that you can earn money, and then combine those into a PDF and into a Word docs like this, and make a PDF from that, and then share those PDF, and lots of PDFs you can share. So simply You can just you can it takes literally 2 minutes to make. So why not try it? You just simply make like hundreds of PDFs and publish it on SlideShares and see how well will it work. I'm bet I can bet you that you within just 1 month of work, you have thousands of PDFs. You will definitely get more than thousands views on your links on Uwaya, and it's like a snowball effect. When you get traffics, it will get more and more traffics, and you will get money for that. So this is like no brainer. You simply work daily, and you can just $600 is just minimum. You can earn more than $600. I can assure you that. And this is the way you can get going, and you can open your financial freedom in the future. So this is it, guys. If you're liking this method, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos and stay with my channel every day. Check out my other videos out there also. You will definitely love. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.